Hello everyone, welcome back. So let me have to create that page, dashboard admin and dashboard user. So let me close all the tab, close your models, then close your logins page. Then inside app create the new directory that is dashboard. Then inside create the new directory admin. Then again inside dashboard create new directory user. Got it? Then what we have to do here inside like copy paste this code, then inside create the new file page dot js files. So just simply paste it here like you will write admin page. Then similarly for the users, new file, this is what page dot js files. Paste it similarly, you will write here user underscore. Let me open your browser, just refresh it here and you will get internal server error. Here, so this when if you got this type of error, then just you will CLS. Then again start your projects. Okay, and just hit start your projects. So here let open your browser and wait for the response. You know that at this time here we have logged in. That particular user has the role user, like you will see in here text. It is a user home page. Okay, this is a user page. Got it? Let me refresh it here. Why here your icon is not changed? I think it takes some time to get your data. Let me click here. Why your file is not visible? Let me manually go to the login page. Okay, it will be redirected. Fine. This is login. Let me log in with net credentials. This is our latest user. At the bottom, this one. Copy it. Then here enter your password, email address, sign. Okay, object. And then you successfully log in and you will see this one automatically redirected to the home page. Okay, after successful login, and you will see the message I have already told you here in this login page. Previously it is not working due to my system. It is a little bit slow, but I have already told you we have implemented the logic here. Everything is correct. Got it here? Everything is correct. So don't worry about your login page. So here, then you will now you'll see on the basis of your role, it will be redirected to the home page. Now here, if you click here, then this is your user home page. You will see the text user home page. But what happened here? If then you are easily access this admin page because here your role is a user, but you are still able to access the admin page. This is wrong. This is a wrong thing. Okay, so that's why here we have implemented the concept of middleware so that if the user role have the user, so that's why it only able to access the user dashboard, not the admin dashboards. So that's why here we will implement the middleware concept. Basically we will protect the page for the user and admin. So that's why here let open your VS code, close here app, then inside my app creating the new file, and that is the middleware. Here write the middleware dot js file. Then inside it importing the without middleware helper for the Next-Auth. It allow adding authentication logic easily to the middlewares. Import here, import without with auth from next auth for slash middleware, then importing the next response to create responses and perform redirects inside middleware. Here import here next response from the next server, then configures the object that tells Next.js which route this middleware should run on. So that's why here we will configure here export const config here it is equal to, then inside object here inside it here matcher, then inside here a bracket here apply middleware to all path under the dashboard user. Whatever you have the path we will create in the upcoming lecture, like inside dashboard, then inside admin whatever you have created the folder or directories inside it, that I want to protect everything. So that's why here forward slash dashboard forward slash user forward slash path, and here we have to use the wildcard, basically each path, then apply middleware to all path under the dashboard admin. Similarly, copy this, you can copy this, paste it now in place of user, you need to write admin, then apply middleware to all path under API users. Similarly for here write API forward slash user forward slash, here you have to write path strict, then next it is here, paste it here and you will write here admin. Got it? Just format your document. Then this is what it is, your configurations. Then outside it here, exporting the middleware function wrapped with auth for the authentications handlings. This is export default with auth, and then inside it here middleware function that runs unmatched routes. Here make it async functions, then middleware here write the concept of this is a middleware and rec here sync function middleware request, here get the path name from the request URL, that is dashboard admin settings. So const URL is equal to rec dot next URL dot path name, then extract the token from the request provided by the Next.auth const token, it is equal to rec dot Next.auth dot token. Make sure if it is available as token, get the user roles from the token admin or user const user role is equal to token dot user dot role. Okay, this is just a role, not user role. Then we will check the condition if the route is meant for admin but the user is not an admin, redirected to the home page. So inside check the condition what URL, so URL dot includes This is JavaScript of functions. Here forward slash admin. This is admin. And then inside it here user role variable. You will see like URL token user role. We will use it here. Then this is user role not equal to the admin inside a string. Then inside it here we have to just redirect to the home page. Next response dot json. Okay, not json. This one it should be redirect inside it here new URL inside it. So inside forward slash then rec dot whatever you have your path. Okay, here whatever you have path, just we will redirect it to the home page from here. Whatever you have path like user, then inside user we have the profile like that. Whatever you have your path, but your role is not admin, then we will forcefully redirect to the home page. Got it? Now same thing for what? Users. If the root is meant for regular user, but the user is not of role user, redirect it to the home page. So let's do that. Let me copy this code, guys. Why we will write again and again. So now we have to just change this one. URLs dot in place of admin. You should change user. Similarly, this one. Got it? So URL and here includes user. Then here same thing. Whatever you have the path, it will be redirected to the home page here. And then outside it here. So option object for the with auth. So let me here wait to remove this format document. So this is outside here. Here you have to write comma and then inside object here option object for the with auth callbacks. Then inside here this callback check if the request is authorized, that is has a valid tokens. So authorized, then you need to make it our functions inside it here. So inside we will destructure your token. Then inside it here if no token exists, user is not means not authorized, means not logged in. So if not token, then here you have to do return false. Otherwise outside it if token exists allow the request and return true. Just format a document. Now let me check it here again, guys. This site cannot run. Use here middleware must exports. So later again we will try to CLS and run new projects. Why you got this, guys? Let me check it here. This is you will easily find in the terminal. Middleware contain invalid middleware in config. So must start with forward slash at method 2, index 2 and 3. So inside matcher you will find it. And this one you should make it forward slash. This is the simple issue. Let me refresh it, then try to check it here. You again run here, restart your server. Now at this time you will see refresh it. You know that here your role is the user, and then it automatically redirected to the user page if everything is fine. Let me check it here. Now it is running. And server, there is a problem with server configuration. Check the server log for informations. Why guys? This is what no secret. I know that. I know that very well. I have already told you when we will try to create this one. This utility inside db connect dot inside next.auth. You should create this variables, but we have not yet created. So we have to go inside config.js first, and you will see here we have not yet created. So this is the problem. Okay, let's here remove this one, make it equal to, and then inside string guys. Here you can write anything. It is totally depend on you. You can write anything. Now, then we have to copy it, export here. Again, we will go inside config.js files. Same thing. Paste it here. Then config dot next.auth underscore secret format of document. Got it? Now fine. Then now you are able to access your next configuration inside here. So you should again restart your server. Here you have to just restart your server. Then let me check it here. Now at this time we will go to the home page guys. So that is fine. Now it is running here. You will see it compiling your applications. Then here just we will go to the home page and try to log in with user details. Session undefined. I know that at this time we will not access immediately your session from the database. Now it is compiling or authentication, checking if it is logged in or not. Just refresh it here. And this is the home page. Let me, if we are logged out by middleware or these applications, then again we will try what you got here. Decryption operation failed. Just ignore this guys. Here we have on the login page. Then let me try here. Try to log in with this user credentials. Copy it here. Copy it. And then this is your sign in page. Here you have to enter your database email. Always sign in object. It means you will log in successfully, and then you will see here. So this is by default your role. It is a user. You know that very well. So this role it is user. Now you will see at your user homepage. But at this time we have used the middleware. And if you here manually try to go to the admin dashboard, here, then it will be redirected to the homepage, and you will see it. Just you will see it automatically redirected to the homepage. You will also check here the middleware. I think this one here you will see it compiling middleware. Okay, see here, just you will see here compiling dashboard user. So we have successfully protect your pages for the admin as well as for the users. So in the next lecture guys, what we will implement here, we will implement your login with Google's. So in the next lecture we will implement the feature logged in with Google. Got it? So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next lectures.